Welcome back, everyone. If you have a contact form on your Webflow site, you have probably experienced the absolute headache of spam submissions filling up your inbox. Today, we're going to fix that by adding Google reCAPTCHA to your forms. It's a super quick process that will save you a ton of time sorting through junk. So let's get right into it. The very first thing you need to do is generate your unique reCAPTCHA keys. Head over to the Google reCAPTCHA website and register your new site. You'll want to select the V2 checkbox option, as that is what Webflow natively supports. Once you fill out your domain details and submit, Google will give you two very important pieces of text, a site key and a secret key. Keep that tab open because we're going to need those in just a second. Now, open a new tab and head into your Webflow project settings. You do not want the designer yet, just the main settings area. Navigate over to the Forms tab and scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find the reCAPTCHA section. This is where you'll paste that site key and secret key you just generated. Once you paste them in, hit Save Changes. With your project connected, it's time to actually put the checkbox on your page. Open up your Webflow Designer and locate your form block. Go to your Add Elements panel on the left, scroll down to the Form section, and you'll see a specific reCAPTCHA element. Just drag and drop that element directly inside your form, ideally right above your Submit button. Here's the one thing that trips everyone up. Your reCAPTCHA will not actually show up or work inside the designer preview. You have to publish your site to your live domain or staging link to see it in action. So hit Publish, give it a test, and say goodbye to form spam. As a quick side note, once you get this video edited and your custom thumbnail polished up, making sure you have a solid SEO package for the upload really helps these technical tutorials get discovered by people dealing with the exact same spam issues. If this quick fix helped you out today, hit that like button and subscribe for more Webflow tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover any other form integrations, and I will see you in the next one.